bit of time because it's a native build and that's part of the iOS thing and Android as well. But we do it only once and then we simply continue working and everything is going to be very smooth. Hey Samuel, hello. I have an Zauhire is asking, I have an app with multiple screens that includes various requests, some of which are related to IDs or other parameters. Should I store all the data in Realm database or consider other options? It really depends on the size of your database, because if you are building, let's say, if you're building an application where you're going to have, I don't know, 20 categories and then 100 items, in that case, it's really simple to take your state and write it to local storage. And then when you open the application, you read everything as a string, you parse it to JSON, you load it in state, and that's a simple solution. But that is not going to perform very well if your items grow past thousands and tens of thousands of items. And also when you have to do like very custom filtering, searching, and so on. In that case, you'd have to load a lot of data in the memory of the phone. Your application is going to consume a lot of memory, and it's going to consume a lot of battery as well. So in that case, it's better to have a database that is stored locally, that you can send queries for specific data and only load in memory things that you need. So this really depends on how much data you're going to have to work with. What is Trello? Trello is a project management board, a very simple, like, where is it? Trello. Yeah, project management board that you can manage your projects. You can have multiple lists like to do, doing, done, review, and so on. Move cards around, assign people, and so on. So as we can see, our application finished building and we have a new pop-up here, open in Trello. That means that if I press open, this will actually open a different application. So you can see here, the Expo Go is still running in the background, but now my application is running in a separate custom application called Trello, which is our application. And now our application with Realm, with custom native code is working perfectly. And you can see it also on the screen, like it's a separate application. So that's all it took to create a custom development build. Running a command npx run iOS, assuming that you have Xcode configured, or npx expo run Android, assuming that you have Android Studio set up. And what that did is it created this iOS directory with a native side projects with